Okay guys, today I'm gonna do the roof in gloss black, but this time I'm gonna use 3M wrap. Okay, that one is, in my opinion, one of the best materials. This material will last 7 years. So I'm gonna show you how to do it and do it step by step. But the first one is you have to clean the roof very good, and I'm gonna use alcohol to clean it, to remove all grease or everything. And also you can use a clay bar, but I don't have a clay bar. But a clay bar, you have to use a clay bar to remove like grease from the trees, okay? And also you have to clean inside these edges, okay? And I have to remove these plastics. This one has a clip over here, so you will see the clip. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to lift it, okay? Let's do it. Okay guys, in this one, some cars will have like a rubber here, I don't know if you can see it, like a rubber between the roof and the glass. It has a rubber. This one you will have to tuck the vinyl inside of this rubber, and this one just only you have to put it all the way here and just cut it with a blade, because the rubber that goes here, it will cover this part, so it will look like the roof is all black, okay? But on other cars like this one, I haven't cut it here yet. This one, before you cut it, tuck it all the way you can inside, and then cut it all like here. You see that my cut was on the edge right here. Same thing. First tuck it all the way inside and then cut it with the blade, but first push it all the way you can push it with the squeegee, and then you can cut it. Okay, so let's do this part, and the roof wrap is finished. Let's do it. Okay guys, that's the gloss black roof wrap. I use 3M 1080. That, for my opinion, is one of the best materials, and it's easier to apply. If you use like a economic, like a cheap vinyl, it's gonna be harder to install it, okay? But the process for any vinyl is the same. The difference is if you use cheap vinyl, it's gonna be harder, but if you use like 3M or Avery, it's gonna be easier for the installation, okay? The 3M material, it will last 7 years, and if you use like a cheap vinyl, it will last like from 3 to 5 years depending on the brand. Okay, some of you guys might be asking, why did you do the roof wrap in gloss black? Because I'm gonna do the full wrap, and the full wrap, I want the roof in black and the rest in another color, but that color is already coming soon. The next video is gonna be for the full wrap, okay? But I'm gonna do it in pieces because I don't wanna wait the whole week and then put the video. I'm gonna put like one video every 2 days, okay, for each part of the car, and then the end of the wrap, I'm gonna put a time lapse for the whole full wrap, okay? But it's gonna be awesome. You will see the color. The color is super cool and amazing, this color. And also I decided to go to the full wrap first, and then I'm gonna do more modifications, but that one, those after the full wrap, okay? So the next one is gonna be full wrap. It's gonna be amazing. Wait for that video, okay? Let me know what you guys think of this installation. It's super easy. The material is one of the best materials, 3M, and put in the comments what do you think. What's your experience with the other materials? Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, and if you are new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.